Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today to celebrate our official product launching of Life Protect here in LifeMax Global Network Incorporated.
Kumusta naman ang experience niyo with Life Protect? Ganda. Walang negative. Okay. Maganda talaga. Okay. So malalaman natin bakit ganyan. May mga sari-sari tayong different experiences, di ba po? Sa mga users. May
We are incredibly proud to finally bring our Life Protect to all Cebuanos, right? Yes, because we already have our office here in Sangsiangco, Cebu. So, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin.
So ano na lang gagawin natin? Why not we think of something that will protect the people? Protect everybody from this innovation. That's how we develop the product Life Protect. Because ang Life Protect, bukod doon sa nutritional gap na pwede po niyang ma-address sa bawat blueprint ng bawat Filipino person, Filipino family, may ibibigay siyang additional protection.
Uy, nindot po ni negosyohon si LifeMax kay ang product unique kayo og dako kay tag market ani kay since napod siya unique nga benefit nga ma-enjoy sa tanan, tama?